How to delete your Steam account. So if you want to delete your Steam account, then first you need to open up your Steam. You can go with your browser, search for steampower.com, and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the username, which will be in the top right. Once you go with the username, after that, go with account details. Once you're on your account details, now from here on the left side, you can select account details. And after selecting your account details, you need to scroll down and you will have delete my Steam account right here. You need to click on delete my Steam account and this will take you to the Steam support section. Now, it will give you how it works, a guideline. So first, you need to verify your ownership of the account and then Steam support will respond to your request to confirm your information and your account will be logged and then deleted in 30 days. Scroll down and go with proceed to account deletion, which is here on the bottom, and then enter your first email that you've used and then provide a phone number from your account. And then is there anything else that you would like to know us? You need to enter a description. And then if you want to add some files, you can add or screenshots, something like that, and then go with send. And after sending, if Steam gets you verified, then your account will be deleted. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.